Hi everyone, this is Venkat from VK Tutorial Pan. Today I am going to explain how to create a mapping file to upload test cases into ALM, that is also called QC Quality Center. For that, first you need to download the ALM Excel add-in from ALM site. After downloading and installing that add-in, you could see this option in your Excel file, that is Micro Focus ALM upload add-in. After selecting this option, you need to click on login button and you need to enter ALM URL, username, password, project name and domain. After that, all this option will be enabled, that is logout, open, mapping, validate, upload. This option will be enabled. I have some sample Excel sheet. In that I wrote some couple of steps to show you how to map these columns A, B, C into ALM field. After login, you need to click the mapping option or mapping button. After clicking the mapping button, you will see this section, ALM Excel add-in field mapping. You need to select test option from entity drop down list. After that, you need to select the fields, which fields you want to map in your Excel file. The left sides are ALM fields in ALM, like ALM field, acceptor criteria, attachments, design steps, brand. These all fields are available in ALM. From these, whatever field you feel required, you need to select this field and you need to click on the arrow button. Suppose I need this following field, ALM fields, application, module, status, subject, test case name. All these fields I need to my Excel file. This red color, highlighted in red color fields, are mandatory field in ALM. Means we need to enter values compulsory. Excel column means Excel column. This Excel column A, like, means A column going to map in application. B means going to map module. For example, ALM application, one of the field in ALM. So I am going to map A column in Excel file. For example, I have Excel sheet. In the A application is my column name. I am going to map A in A column with application field. The same way, B is the B column. In B column, module field is there. The module field going to map with B column in Excel file. Similarly, you need to map all these fields with Excel file. After mapping your fields, you wanted to reuse for next time, you need to save this file. After next time, you no need to map this all again. Just to open that file, you need to click on the open file, just drag that file and open. The all values will be populated after selecting that file, and click on the OK button. After clicking the OK button, your mapping will be completed like this: application, module, status, subject, test name, all these things. This means your mapping is over. That's all from my side. Thank you for watching. Bye. Please contact me for any clarification, vktutorialpoint@gmail.com. Thank you. Bye.